treatments. With simple ingredients easily found in most kitchens, you can treat your blackheads within a few days. Here are the top 6 home remedies for blackheads. 1. Baking soda. Baking soda is an effective treatment for blackheads as well as acne. 1. Mix 2 teaspoons of baking soda with mineral water to make a paste. 2. Apply the paste generously on the affected skin area and massage gently. Allow it to dry for a few minutes before rinsing it off with warm water. 2. Egg white mask. Egg whites form an easy mask that can be used to temporarily tighten pores, thus reducing chances of future blackheads, and will also remove current blackheads. You will need -1 egg, facial tissue or toilet paper, a small bowl, a clean towel. 3. Honey and milk 4 strips. Milk and honey both have properties that are good for skin. Honey has antibacterial properties, and the lactic acid in milk is said to help keep skin soft and supple. You will need -1 tablespoon of organic raw honey, -1 teaspoon of milk, clean strip of cotton. 4. Cinnamon. Cinnamon can be used to remove and prevent blackheads. Mix 1 teaspoon each of cinnamon powder and lemon juice with a pinch of turmeric powder, optional. Spread it on your face, leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse it off. 5. Lemon juice. Lemon juice, also used in acne treatment, can help remove blackheads. The nutrients and vitamins present in lemon juice are good for all skin types. Thanks for